Malolo malia ho eiki mo lelei e tonga hono kotoa. Whiawhia ke utaritai lelei ki mouton ki o mo uni o ngongo, me le teo ka o maafu ke televisione tonga kihe ho wani. Wakai koia kihe ngahi ulu i o ngongo, hiki e te tong uhila a ke seni te tonga full tupu o ka matalauia i he ahoni, ka e fua kotoa pia e to tongo ia e he puri anga. Malolo e whiwhine tau whango full mātolu i wawau tupu me hono whana i pe hono huste pāniti. Pea i kuna ki nuku ai to ulikuluti hono fitungo fulma fitu ai kau tau malu ia ni afio e likuluti fili ke nufomuli he lotu hakau motu. E to ia i pe muinga hitala noa ke anayange whataha me wakai ke whamimitaha me he moa e oi sipoti kai umaafu ke whamatala ea. Koi wakai lewa e ni ki he whai ki ko au sanoli tatu i vai. Ko a whahai e ki pale e miano pili whawhanua i he whiawhi o i ahoni ai tutu une komson uhila ke hiki ai totong lolo aki ai seniti e tolngo full tupu o ka matalau i he ahoni. Koe makatunga pe eni i he kei hoko atu ai hiki o i totong e koloa lolo whakamaman lahi. Ka neongo ia e ikai ke fua eni e he kau mau uhila ko uhi ko tari ai pe e he puli anga ke nau tokoni i he tawhaake ko eni pea e fua ai pe e he puli anga ia ai whakamole ki he hiki ko eni.
Angepe ko e whetau aki ko e ni he mau inga ai lolo. Nā mahinu pe whoki o ku hiki me au waki ko e ni o sune. Pea o mātua ngai ai tutuna e whahoko ane uhu me he Electricity Commission, pe ko e Energy Commission, ana nau whango ane uhu ko hiki a totongi e uhila. Ake pe sete tau 5.4, ai me he tonga loro tonga, ko e seniti e valuhiva 5 o alhake ke paanga e taha, sin te wataha ono tol. Nei o CIP e mau palani ke tōni ai ni ihi koe ni kakai whanua o nau totong uhila o mga tōnga i he hiki koe ni mamawha e uhila. Pea iene pehe ku maulawa whapapau i he ahoni. E hoko atu pe ai lifeline tariff. Ai koe ni ihi koe ni o i lalo ai nau ngau ke uhila i he kilowati e 5 au. E hoko atu pēa e tokon ko ni pure anga o fua ai uhila ko ia. Kaka uhi ko e hiki ko e ni ai mahu inga ko e uhila me he sente valuhiva ki he taha wa taha. Ku tari he pure anga ke ne fua ai whai ke he kehe o hiki ko e ni ko tutu uni me Electricity Commission.
Ko e eiki pale mia ia no pele whawhanua i he whatahama ke me kau whai o ngongo i he whiawhia ahoni i hono whaha ko ia o i hiki ko ia o e totongi uhila pea e fua pehe puli anga ai hiki e totongi uhila mga tuunga i e ko hoko atu ai hiki o e totongi koloa lolo whamamanahi. Kua le ko te potunga e polisi e malolo hawhewhine tau whango fulu mātolu me utulangi waka wawao tupu me he whatuta maki ko hono whanai i he whiawhia neafi. O mahino koe fofua mo ui eni kua le koti i he tauni ke malolo tupu mi hano ngawe aki o e mea tau. I he whaike eke a ngonga le ti o Tonga mo e pule polisi apitanga polisi Tongatapu halatoa tau whanani pehe ko e natula o e whatu tāmaki ko e ni. Nai uruaki ma o he potunga e polisi a wawau a launga whekau aki mo e makuku i he api no foanga na hoko ai e whatu tāmaki whafofua ke taimi ofi ki he hiwa po uli. Ka i he o squata ko ia me i he hiwa na iau tonu atoa ai hose pāniti ko e ni mo e mea tau na ane ngawe aki ki he whanai ko ia hono waifi ki he a polisi o vetehia ko ia pe na ane whanai a hono waifi.
Whakau ke ripoti ko umau he taimini. Koe patu tamako na e hoko, koe mea na e hoko i Udlagmaka, a pia ni pāmiri pe. Ai koe na tula mea na e hoko. Whawafua ki he taimi ko skuata me hiwa ane fiafi. Ai whawafua pe ke hiwa peo fiai. Na e mau ripoti e ka polisi pela vei pe mo ke fa api ko iripe ngai miniti me ai ko to wa to au se pa niki ki a police ne ya fu pe mo e tau ko hiria hoko fa tamaki ko tamaki ko na hoko no fana ipe au se pa niki ata pule ta fa ni fa re a hono wifi ko se fine tau fa to ya pe ya ai ko fa ki ko ma o tai ni ko ya fana ko ya fana fika wo ai fol ai fa hoko aki ai ia ko ni o kai pe ka polisi ai mata pule ko ni o tau ke polisi de ia fu ke hoko ate fa to tolo ka ngawe i he ma tu nga me ko na hoko ai ko tu ko tai ni ma hino ya more mo un ai fa e ko ni Jose Paniti ko ni ku i he prisone i ia fu ko fa e pekia e ko na ki fa na o to fa ko fa i ki a ulava o tu watu e tai mini lo tonga lere fa to tolo ka polisi e ma tu nga me na hoko pe to ki lava pe a fa i ki a moia malo
O ku mahino ne iai a me mi patonu i he whānau na e lawea ka aku kei whai whakatatona kau polisi pe o whilawe i tonu e ni moe mea na e hoko pe i kai. Kai ki hoki hoko atu pe whakatatona kau polisi o whikau a ki me kawingani. Me e whamumui taha e hopo i he wāe whafofonga ka kailolotonga e watahataha to ke tātani rafu smalohi pe a mohono kaunga whili kantiteiti koia ko te vitalamau. Na iai tone whaiongonga whaleni li te atau kapo i whale hopo o ne o mai whai ki o e talanoa koia ki hauani.
I hoko atu e aho no tolo e hopo sivili e whakafofonga ka kai e ua tahataha, to ke tātani e la fusmalohi, mo e whakafofonga ka kai malolo e ua tahataha, te vita lave mau. Nei uia i e whakafofonga lao o e talatalaki e whakailoa to ke tātani e la fusmalohi, o whakahoko i aene whakamatala, o pēa i e fusmalohi o kune whakaikai i ai tukuaki i koe ni, ko hui ka ngai tokoni koe ni, ka tokoni pēia ai pule anga. Nei whawhehu i whakawhihia i e aho ki atu ki tāfus mālohi, o ne peheange koe ngai tokoni koe ni, koe tūtuuni pia ai kapineti, pe nei tali ki ai a fus mālohi, io. Nā toi eke ai i aho a lipoti me kapineti o pehe, ko lipoti ko eni ai pure anga, ko inas a eua, ko Starling pe eua, ke whakotuu i he kolo eua, pe nei tali io ki ai a fus mālohi. Nei whakahoko ai e aho a ene whakawhihui ki ngai taimi nei whakahoko ai e whaki tokoni koeni ki eua. Nei whakamatala toki tāfus mālohi nāne pehe ai, ko ngai taimi nei whakahoko ai e whakotuu mo e whaki tokoni Starlink koeni ki eua, ko ngai taimi pau pe ia nei os whakotuu tuu mo palanii i he pure anga ki whakahoko i he taimi ko ia. Nā toi pehe e fusmalohi i kai ke iai hatau mu aia ke ne whakahoko ai ngai tokoni koe ni ke whakalotoi pe whakakounai aki ai kakai ke whili i a teia. Pea koe ngai tokoni a tātā pe eni ai pure anga. O ku mahino pe ku kakato e aho e tolu ai hopo, kau hoko atu ai hopo ki he wike kaha u. Māngonga le te oma televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Kua i kunai e he toko whango fulu mātolu ai liku luti hono fitungo fulu mā fitu e kautaini a fio aki ai o wautana ki tuunga na e whakahoko e pompongi oi ahoni. Koe hili eni ai kakato e mahina e tolu ano teo i ki nau tolu ke nau hoko koe sotia kakato i tua mo whale e he taimi te nau hoko ai ke whatongia koe taliangi kia tupo mo e whanua. Nā i kuna ki te whisi wawao mo nukunuku Tongatapu ki a likuluti whili ke no whamuri he lotu hakau motu. Ai tau likuluti hono fitunga fulu maa fitu ai kau tau malu i a ene a fio. Ko ne mao ko eni a ki ene tu ki mua i he leesoni i loki ako, mo i leesoni ki tu a, pena ane whika tolu i he toko tā whana le leitaha. Nei whika aua likuluti si oeli pulu te e kawhatonga o nukunuku ai pe, aki a ene mao ene leitaha i he mala e tuila, mo whika aua i le soni fisikale. Pea whikatolu a likuluti le sieli manu whetoa o maufanga, aki a ene whikatolu i le leitaha i he mala e tuila, pea whikaua i le soni kitu a field training. Nei whaake a pare ke likuluti whalakalaka taha, tālu me he kamata ai ako ki la paha ki a likuluti siosiwa mo unga. Nei kamata ki ai aho ai o wau laka whalanglangi, pene e ahi e ngahi patuni e wha whalanglangi laftani ke nolo mapakai tolo. I lea whalatolahe laftani ke nolo mapakai tolo na ane pole iai e to ulikuluti, hono fitungo fulma fitu e kautau malu iai ni afio, a e nau taliangi mo i talangofuaka kato. O iku ke nau lava i lele iai a hono teo i ki nau tolu ke hoko ko sotia ka kato. Kana ane uki ai ke hoko atu pe talangofua mo taliangi ko ia, i he tapa pe o kautau ene afio mo feituu e uiki ai ke whakawhatongia me iai.
Kauri kuluti hono fitu. O kautau a ene afio. Koe ane afi. Mahina e tolu malo. Na e toki hiriange. Na e toki osi. Na e hange pe ka ikai. Na ikai whaingofua. Ka mou viritaki pe mo ukuma. Kua more ai ongo sia. Kua hoko o mo oni. Viringia e fuka o ikuna. O tau ke mou haka mo pata. He lava mea kua mou feia. Kaului kuluti hono fitu. Ko mou tu mai koe nā. He mala e whakate. Pe koe parade ground. Koe konga kere pe koe area ia apitanga tau. O guako iai. Mohono liriu whakaununga ngai. Ai mo ui ai whewhine. Mo e tangata o e kautau. Kau katoa e kautau. Nanau fou mai kotoa. O hange ko ia. O mou iai. O mou tuu mai ko ena he parade ground. Yo mou laka whakate na e toki osi hono whakahoko. Marching drills. Na mou whakahango ki heangi ai komanda. Pe koe drill instructor. Na mou o whaha mai ai lerei mo e tuunga lerei. Ai ako whakautau kotoa be na mou whakahoko. Ako ke mo ui whakautau. Mo ui whakasotia. Fieldcraft tactics and regimental duties. Ako ke ngai whatongia e kautau. Roles and functions. Talangofua mo taliang kakato ke whakailonga. Peko toko taha maalunga ia te kita. Discipline. Ako ke he mea tau. Weapon and marksmanship training. Whakamau sino ke matatari ngahi ngau e katoa pe whakai sino. Health and fitness training. Ako whakataka kai o kamata pe ia te kita whafoi tui. Mo ngau e whakakulupu whetokoni aki. Leadership training. Lead self peko lead team. Ikai ko ia pe ia whai ho mou sivi i whakai sino. Mo whakai atamai mo whakaulunganga. Kai sino e mea. Pou ai lau maari e. He koe whekaulahi. Ke tari ai angi furipe.
Kai kena i he polokalamane ngai whamili o i whanau li kuluti ke whawhiawhia ai lava mea a e nā whanau.
No board for the front!
Pea koa o heni ke toko ni mga fulmawalu whakatoa i lalo Tongane e toko lahi koia e kaupuke i he mea whtengi i he tō mahaki koia o lalo Tongato i he whanua. Nei tuku atoa e tapo me minista mo oi ke kakai whanua ke te toka ngangi ke he tō mahaki ko ini tau te whito ke he lahi ai uha i ngai aho ki muini mai.
Maui ka pitu whoke he tai ni me ngā lahi uha. Ai hiki ki tō pe tau toko ni mawalu e ni upuke he tengi. Pako toko ni mau ke i whare mahaki. Koe uhinga koe whakatānoa e tai ni mi lahi uha. Lahi vai o kuhenge skapa mo e wala mea pehe pa ke mau ke mo tokanga ki ai. Koe mea whai potu ngā wai tai ni mi mo e tokon maa New Zealand mo Australia ko ai ke whahi ko wewe la lahi. Ai uwa he ngā ko hinga pe ke toko mai ai whainga maari e ko ia ke toi priti ai pe toi lahi ai nā mu. O toi lahi ai tengi. Tu e tai ni mi tau ke emergency pe tengi he ko hinga he ko ke teiki aha asi ha holo. Ko ne ia taimi e to kolo ai pa to relief level emergency e te ngi ka ko whakatokanga pia ke mō kātaki tō inge skapa mo inge taia mo wala mea pe ko tanaki vai o hua i pe ko awi ka feitu ka ko whai ngau e na kamata e ka hau e ko bebe kamata e kolo ko mahino ku ma o te ngi ka ko whingain ke ai whakakato.
Ko e minista mo uia hua kawa meiliku i ene whamala ara ki he tu unga ai ngā oe patungai mo ui ki he ta umaha ki moftengi i he lolotonga ko ia whatahama ke he me ka whaiungongo i he whiawhini. Uni o ngongo whalot whanua pe ki hauani. Te tau kaile wahin ki whamumitaha me he mala e oe sipoti o kahili eni pea mo popua aho.
I he whetaki nima e komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potungau e ngahi ngau e whalota whanua pe mia. Malawa i ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti me whiau hi Super Rugby Pacific manoa ua no. Whamalo ke Eik Minista me ka whaaki sipoti a e potungau e i whengau e aki ua whakahoko.
Me he mala e o e sipoti, kua whakahane poate a ka pulu Indioni a Tonga, ai hoko a David Lavulo Edwards, mo aisiana Latu ni o a tamoi peau, ko hongo me mipa fo ou o poate a ka pulu Indioni. I e whamatala me he poate, ko Edwards ko i kaletahi tutuku ai ana ni whakawhawhanga i a Tongani, i he tautesi e taha whā, i he waha au e tau taha hiwa fitu ki he wā whi māua, o kauheni me whiauhi po māmani e tau taha hiwa. O ku tau kei whake Edwards e he tawhaake o businessi o ni a ua hoko ki ngāhi rakanga whakataki i he ngāhi kautaha whakapuleanga, me ngāhi sino pulengawe i he ngāhi sipoti ki he kehe i Tongani kai pehe whoki ki Nuku'alofa. I he hoko koe ni a Edwards ki he poate a ka pulu Indioni, nane pehe ai kone whakaam ki toi whakaivia ai tuunga ngāwe ai poate, mo tōni ai a hono tataki e poate ki he ngāhi ngāwe whakalakalaka ke toi lahi ngei e whainga maalia i he sipoti ni ma Tongani, mo ngāhi polokalama ngāwe ki he tūkui kolo, ke whakaivia ai sipoti ni i he ngāhi tūkui kolo. Norotonga koe ni, koe hoko a taumoi peau ki he poate a ka pulu Unioni o kone kauatu, mo e tauke ngāwe la kahake i he tau e tahanima, i he ngāhi ngāwe whakalao me taki ngāwe i Tongani, mo e ngāhi polokalama ngāwe i he Pasifiki. Ko wholo a tau whoke ane tau kawe i ai sipoti a ka pulu e ka kaiwhiwhine i Tongani, ai nane o sikau atu ki he poate ki mua, ko e whakawhawhonga me he kautaha a ka pulu whiwhine a Tonga, aia koe lakanga koe ana i he poate ki mua koe me mipa makehe, aia nei kai koe hoko ni koha me mipa ka kato whakaofisiale ka koe me mipa makehe ni pe koe observer, pea ko whakahai i he poate ai nā whakatoa me lie ki he toi hoko le rei atu pe ai whakalakalaka ki mua ai spoti a ka pulu e ka kaiwhiwhine i he kau koe ni a taumai peau ki he poate ai a ka pulu Unioni a Tonga. Nei whakahai he poate ai talitari whiwhia ai ango me mipa wha o koe ni i he wikeni. Ko e sipoti pe ia.
Ka kimoa patau mawai, patau whakaipe heni, ki he ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Hiki e te tong uhila a ke seni te tonga full tupu o ka matalauia i he ahoni, ka e fuakotoa pia e te tongo ia e he puri anga. Malolo e whiwhine tau whango full mātolu i wawau tupu me hono whana i pe hono huste pāniti. Pea i kuna ki nuku ai to ulikuluti hono fitungo full fitu ai kautau malu ia ni awhio, e likuluti, whiri ke nufomuli he lotu hakau motu. E pea mai ka kāte peha mo uni o ngongo me leetio ka maafu ke televisione Tonga ki Hawani, mo i efka amune a utono atu ki loto whale ai Tonga hono kotoa. O a te peha manatu, ka i ai haa o ngongo, ka tak whitu take mai ke whika telefoni, ua tolu ni mene māno. Whamalo te tau ke whi ao mai, ko sanolita tu i vai, ka momea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for this Friday evening, 8th of May. Today's top stories. Prime Minister announces government subsidy of the electricity tariff raise due to the global fuel crisis. Police are investigating a fatal domestic dispute in Vava'o where a 43-year-old woman was killed by her husband. And dengue fever confirmed cases now at 58, as Health Minister stresses the importance of preparedness and collective community action to prevent further spread of dengue fever. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest from the sports scene and the weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Popoa Aho. Electricity tariff increased by over 30 seniti from today, with government subsidising the cost of the increase. In a press conference this afternoon, the Prime Minister, Latu Whanua, announced an increase in the electricity tariff by the Tonga Electricity Commission due to the continued rise in global fuel prices. However, government has agreed to provide assistance and will absorb the additional costs caused by the increase so that electricity consumers will not have to bear the increase. The Prime Minister explained that government already had plans in place to provide assistance in case of a rise in the electricity tariff due to the global fuel crisis, adding that the lifeline tariff will continue for consumers with electricity usage below 500 kilowatts as well. Tonga police today confirmed the death of a 43-year-old woman from Tonga, Vava'o, who died after being shot by her husband during a domestic dispute. Police confirmed this is the first death recorded this year resulting from the use of a firearm.
Speaking to Radio Tonga News, Commander of the Tongatapu Police Station, Tongataufa, said police in Vava'o first received a complaint of the domestic dispute at around 9 p.m. last night, and shortly after the husband turned up at the police station to turn himself in, admitting that he had just shot his wife. According to police, there are also reports that the couple's child was also injured, but investigations are ongoing to determine whether this was connected to the incident. Taufa confirmed that police will continue to investigate the matter and will release more information once confirmed.
The civil case involving Ewa 11 MP Dr. Daniela Fusmalohi and former Ewa 11 MP David Lavimau continued into its third day in court today. Lidia Tongatapu was in court and filed this report.
During today's proceedings, lawyer for the defendant, David Aho, called Dr. Daniela Fusmalohi to give evidence. Dr. Fusmalohi took to the stand telling the court that he denies the allegations against him, stating that the assistance in question was government support. Under cross-examination, Dr. Fusmalohi was asked whether the assistance provided was part of a cabinet decision, to which he responded yes. Aho also questioned Dr. Fusmalohi regarding a cabinet report, stating that according to the report, Ewa's allocation from the government was 2 Starlink units to be installed in 2 villages. Dr. Fusmalohi confirmed this in court. Further questions were raised regarding the timing of the distribution and installation of the Starlink assistance in Ewa. Dr. Fusmalohi explained that the timing of the installation and distribution had already been planned and scheduled by the government beforehand. He further stated that there were no intention on his part to use the assistance to influence or pressure voters into supporting him, adding that the assistance was part of government support. The case is expected to continue next week. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Lidia Tongatapu.
43 recruits in the 77th intake of His Majesty's Armed Forces were celebrated in the Recruits Passing Out Parade this morning after completing 3 months of training.
The top recruit award for the 77th intake of His Majesty Armed Forces was awarded to Filike Nofomuri Latu Hakaumotu from Nuku'alofa, Tongatapu and Tefisi, Vava'o. He earned the honor through outstanding performance in classroom studies and field lessons, and he also placed 3rd in marksmanship shooting. 2nd place went to recruit Sioeli Pulute Ekafa Tonga of Nuku'alofa, who achieved the best performance on the drill field and placed 2nd in physical training. 3rd place went to recruit Lesieli Manufetoa of Ma'ufanga, who ranked 3rd in drill performance and 2nd in field training. The award of the most improved recruit throughout the course was presented to recruit Tiosiwa Mo'unga of La Paha. The day began with a ceremonial parade march, followed by an inspection of the parade by the guest of honor, Lieutenant Colonel Mapakaitolo. In his keynote address, Lieutenant Colonel Mapakaitolo challenged the 77 intake recruits to maintain complete loyalty and discipline, which had enabled them to successfully complete their military training. He also encouraged them to continue showing obedience and dedication throughout their service in His Majesty Armed Forces and wherever they may be called to serve. Family members of the recruits attended the ceremony to celebrate the achievements of their children.
No board for the front!
And the number of confirmed dengue fever cases in the current outbreak has now risen to 58, with the Minister of Health, Honourable Nuku'alofa Liku, urging the public to remain vigilant as heavy rainfall continues. According to the ministry's latest report released today, 1 new case has been confirmed since the last update, with 5 patients currently admitted at Princess Wispala Hospital in Ha'apai. Speaking during a press conference this afternoon, Health Minister Honourable Nuku'alofa Liku stressed the importance of collective community action to help prevent the spread of dengue fever, particularly as recent heavy rain increases the chances of mosquito breeding sites. The minister says arrangements are being made in cooperation with support from New Zealand and Australia for clean-up campaigns for the collection of large rubbish in villages of confirmed dengue cases, with plans to eventually carry out these clean-up campaigns for the rest of the country as well. Meanwhile, vector control measures including insecticide spraying and clean-up campaigns are also ongoing across affected areas. The Ministry of Health is reminding the public to eliminate mosquito breeding sites around homes and workplaces, use mosquito repellents in mosquito nets, and seek medical attention early if dengue symptoms develop. That's your news package for this Friday evening, 8th of May. For more on these stories, you can visit our website at www.tbc.to. Now, from myself and the Radio and Television Tonga News team, thank you for joining us. Have a good weekend and good evening.